Hey guys, hi, here we go again. I'm gonna show you guys new product, Shiftcam Progrip. This one right here. This is something, so I can just show you what I like about it and what I don't like about it. So what I like about this is like when you put in your phone, it's really handy. Like you can hold it in your phone because I'm just recording on my phone now. You can see it. It's very nice. It's 90-degree angle. You can hold it. It's really fun. The one thing I don't like about this is that when this thing is on, this one here, it get really hot. Really hot. That way you can't even like, I won't say you can't use it, but even though you use it, it's getting hot. It get hot. Those are the things they never told you about it, right? Turn it on, put it back on, and when you use it, it's very hot. Like right now, like I just turned it on, you can see it. Start getting warm already. So that's the one thing I don't like about it. Can this replace the gimbal? Pretty much, I would say yes or no. Because the gimbal, you're gonna have to walk and turn it on and blah blah blah. And the gimbal can charge your phone, but this also can charge your phone. And the thing I love about it is the wireless, right? You know, some gimbals, when you put in your phone, like to put your cable here, it's just too much. This one you can just literally like, it works. You can just go and connect everything through there. You know, that's one thing I love about it. The second thing is, you can literally like put your phone here. I mean, the grip is really nice. It looks like, just look, it looks like the camera here. The handle can hold your hands and the grip is really nice. You can just put your phone here or hold your phone and just bang with the action. The gimbal, you have to walk around. Some gimbal is very long, some gimbal, you can't close it. So when you close it, you gotta open it and turn it on, and the Bluetooth phone is just too much. But this one is just hands-on. Put your phone here, walk around, and when you see something you wanna shoot, bang, you change it, or you just put. Change it like this, or like that. You know, which is really nice, right? It's really handy. So I really like this. I think this is the best. Is it better than gimbal? Can this replace the gimbal? It depends. Some of you guys love to use gimbal. I had gimbal here. I returned it back because, you know, sometimes I just don't want to carry that big stuff with me. All those small gimbals, you can fold it when you're in action. It's very fragile. This thing is, yeah, it's really nice. It's almost the same price of the gimbal, but I just like simplicity. Simplicity is always best to work with. That's one thing I love about it. If you have anything else, please comment down below, the good, the bad about this. Let me know what you think about this. Can you get this? Let me know. Thank you guys for joining me again. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.